Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at the latest releases from Swatch. As you can see, Mission on Earth. We have the three models, the Lava, the Polar Lights and the Desert. All three were available in store, so you can definitely check them out and maybe you can find one of them and purchase them. Here is the Polar Lights, maybe my favorite model. I really like the dial, how it pops out. Also, I like the color of the case and back, the watch hands. And here we have the Lava, a very interesting red, maybe something orange, different to Mission to Mars. And now you can see them side by side. I really like these two models. I only tested these two because I really like them. The price is 280 euros, which is quite a lot, especially compared to the original ones. As you can see, they are the same case, the same size. I really like the new back. As you can see, we have the Earth, the colors of them, but I would say that they are quite expensive compared to the original ones, and they are identical. Here we have the Mission to the Moon, the one that I have on my wrist, and now they also had the Snoopy version in store, so you can definitely go and purchase the Snoopy version for 315 euros because you get a better complication and a more beautiful dial, the Snoopy complication. Here you can see the stitching from the new versions. They stand out a little bit more, and the Omega writing, so everything is identical. The backs of the models are quite similar, but they have different lids when it comes to the battery covers, and the case color is different. Here you can look at the two watches side by side. These are the two models that I enjoy the most because the last one, the Desert one, seems very plain, but nonetheless, if you like it, you can go and purchase it. They also had the Blancpain models in store, which are priced at 400 euros. A little bit too pricey for a plastic watch, but if you like them, you can definitely go and buy them. Let me know, guys, what are your thoughts on the new releases from Swatch? Did you buy any of them? Would you buy any of them? Let me know in the comment section below. Like the video, guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.